2900 पुलिस वाले, 60 SHO और 22 DPO और 6 SP के दरमियान सीना तान कर आते हुए 24 साला नौजवान मेरा कायल है।
Supporters of Lebík, Pakistan will not be silenced. Known as TLP, they started protesting last year after caricatures of the Prophet Muhammad were republished in France. Then, last week, they protested after the government arrested their leader, cleric Saad Rizvi. He had demanded the French ambassador in Pakistan be expelled and a ban on French products. Those protests resulted in the government outlawing TLP, which led to more protests. On Sunday, a party spokesman said security forces raided their offices in Lahore. They responded again on the streets. In all, several of their supporters were killed and dozens were injured.
The
police straight away started shelling and fired bullets directly at us. Our boys were injured. Some got bullets in the chest. Some got shot in the head.
They fired directly at us and threw acid water. Some men had their chest burned, others their back, face or body.
Hours later, they returned with their original grievance against France.
We told the police we neither have weapons nor are we terrorists, but they started firing on us and used tear gas. Many supporters died and those who were killed had one slogan: "O Prophet, we are here for you. Expel the French ambassador and cut off relations with France."
Lahore police said Sunday's violence began after a police station was attacked. They accused TLP supporters of taking 6 officers hostage, torturing some. Prime Minister Imran said more than 600 officers were injured in protests last week. There is a media blackout, while social media has been cut in some areas. The TLP's anger towards France reverberates through many Muslim-majority nations. In October, Macron defended the publication of caricatures of the Prophet Muhammad, caricatures that French school teacher Samuel Paty had shown in class before he was beheaded. Boycotts and protests were organised in Bangladesh, Somalia, Syria, Libya, Yemen, Afghanistan, Iraq and here in Pakistan, championed by the TLP. 6 months later, their party is banned, their leader detained, their supporters killed and wounded, and still they chant on. Charlotte Ballas, Al Jazeera.